Today is 2nd January 2025, and we have brought you a detailed horoscope which will help you make your day even better. This horoscope is based on the position of planets and constellations and astrological calculations. Please note that this information has been compiled from the internet, and our channel does not claim its 100% accuracy. Aries, today will be a day full of confidence for you. You will get success in whatever work you do. Your talent will be appreciated in the workplace. There are signs of monetary gains, especially for people involved in business. Any pending payment can also be received. There will be an atmosphere of mutual cooperation and harmony in the family. Health will be good, but include some yoga and meditation in your routine. Travel plans can be made, which will be beneficial for you. Taurus, you will get the fruits of your hard work today. Your position will be strong in the workplace, and you will get the support of senior officials. The day is financially beneficial. If you are thinking of investing in a property, then today is an auspicious day. There may be some concern about the health of a family member. Sweetness will remain in love relationships. Be cautious about health, especially avoid throat-related problems. Gemini, today you will feel mentally and physically refreshed. Your creativity and imagination will be at their peak. Today is a particularly beneficial day for students. You may get new responsibilities in the workplace, which will pave the way for your progress. Financial condition will improve, but avoid unnecessary expenses. Family life will be pleasant, and you may meet an old friend. Cancer, today will be a satisfying day for you. You will spend a good time with your family. Your performance in the workplace will be good, and your hard work will be appreciated. There is a possibility of profit in business. Why? Your health will improve, and you will be full of new energy. If you are embroiled in a legal matter, then you can get positive results in it today. Relationship with spouse will become stronger. Leo, today will be beneficial for you. You will get a chance to touch new heights in the workplace. If you are working on a project, then today it can be successfully completed. Financial condition will be strong, and new sources of income will be obtained. There may be some auspicious work in the family. Health will be good, but pay special attention to food. There is a possibility of travel, which will be pleasant. Virgo, today can be a little busy for you. You may have to run around for work, but it will give positive results. Be cautious in terms of investment and take expert advice. There may be a rift with a family member, but be patient. There is a need to pay attention to health, especially avoid problems related to the digestive system. Meeting an old friend can make your mind happy. Libra, today you will feel mentally calm and balanced. Your efforts will be appreciated in the workplace. The day is financially beneficial, and you will get new opportunities to earn money. Family life will be pleasant, and you can participate in a social event. Health will be good, but fatigue may be felt due to excessive work. There will be sweetness in relationships, and new energy will be infused in love relationships. Scorpio, today will be challenging but beneficial for you. Your hard work will be rewarded in the workplace, and new responsibilities can be given. Businessmen need to coordinate with their partners. The financial situation will be normal, but avoid sudden expenses. There will be an atmosphere of happiness in the family. Take care of health, especially do yoga and meditation to avoid mental stress. Sagittarius, today will be a day full of enthusiasm and new hopes for you. Your talent will shine in the workplace, and you will get the support of your colleagues. The financial situation will improve, and the pending tasks will be completed. You will get a chance to spend time with family and friends. Exercise regularly to stay healthy. Love relationships will strengthen, and you will spend happy time with your spouse. Capricorn, today will be favorable for you. You will get new opportunities in the workplace and you will be able to achieve your goals. The day is auspicious financially and the time is suitable for investment. There will be an atmosphere of happiness and peace in the family. Health will be good, but pay attention to your eating habits. There is a possibility of travel, which will prove beneficial for you. Aquarius, today you will be successful in your plans and decisions. Your performance at work will be better, and you will get the support of senior officials. The financial situation will be strong, and new sources of income will be obtained. You will get a chance to spend time with family, and an old dispute may be resolved. Health will be good, but you may feel tired due to excessive work. Today will bring new beginnings and opportunities for you. Your hard work at work will pay off, and you will get new responsibilities. The day is financially beneficial, and you can invest in a property. There may be some concern about the health of a family member. Be cautious about health and exercise regularly. Disclaimer: this information has been compiled from the internet, and our channel does not claim its 100% accuracy. So this was a detailed horoscope for 2nd January 2025. Hope this information will help you make your day positive and productive. If you like this horoscope, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks.